Namaste बच्चों. Today we will start a new chapter, chapter number 7. The name of the chapter is Halwai or Bandar. Here Halwai means the confectioner. So confectioner is a person who makes sweets and also who sell sweets. So this is a story about Halwai or Bandar. Bandar means monkey. Once again, the name of the story is Halwai or Bandar. Now here, let's first discuss the summary of this chapter. This is the story of a confectioner. As I told you, a confectioner is a person who makes and sells sweet. So this is the story of a confectioner who used to sell milk, and he used to mix water into the milk for making more profit. So one day, on his way from his village, few monkeys snatched his money bag, and the monkeys taught him a lesson for cheating others for making more profit. So after this incident, he understood his mistake and he promised that he won't cheat others for making more and more profit. So let's read this chapter to know more about that incident. As you can see here, first we have Kathin Shabd, that means difficult words. So the first one is Balti. Balti means bucket. Rassi, rope. Chillana means to shout. Kuan means well. Barbad means to destroy. Tarika means way. Now let's read this chapter. So first we have Part Pravesh, that is lesson introduction. Here it's written, प्रस्तुत कहानी में धोखा देकर पैसा ना कमाने की सीख दी गई है. So here the word dhoka means to cheat, kamane means to earn, seek means taught. So the meaning is, in this story it has been taught not to earn money by cheating others. अन्यथा उसका परिणाम बुरा ही होता है. So here अन्यथा means otherwise, parinam means result. So the meaning is, otherwise its result will always be bad. Bura means bad. Now let's read the story. The first line says, एक हलवाई दूध में पानी मिलाकर बेचता था. Here हलवाई means sweet shop owner or the confectioner. So here a confectioner used to sell milk mixed with water. इस प्रकार वह बहुत अमीर बन गया. इस प्रकार means this way. Amir means rich. So this way he became very rich. एक दिन वह 10,000 रुपयों की थैली लेकर अपने गांव से चल पड़ा. Here 10,000 रुपये means 10,000 rupees. थैली means bag. गांव means village. So one day he left his village with a bag of 10,000 rupees. Next line, रास्ते में उसे प्यास लगी. Here रास्ता means on his way or road, and प्यास means thirsty. So on his way he felt thirsty. पास ही एक कुआं था. कुआं means well. So there was a well nearby. Next line, बाल्टी और रस्सी जगत पर रखी थी. Here बाल्टी means the bucket, रस्सी means rope, and jagat means the wall of the well. So the bucket and the rope were placed on the wall of the well. Next line, वह थैली जगत पर रखकर पानी खींचने लगा. So the confectioner, he kept his money bag on the wall of the well and he started drawing water from the well. तभी एक बंदर थैली लेकर पास के पेड़ पर जा चढ़ा. So here बंदर means monkey. So at that time a monkey took his bag and climbed to the nearby tree. हलवाई ने बंदर पर पत्थर फेंका और चिल्लाया. Here पत्थर means stone, फेंका means to throw, चिल्लाया means to shout. So the confectioner, he threw a stone at the monkey and shouted, थैली वापस दे दे. So the confectioner, he shouted to give back the bag. बंदर पर इसका कोई असर नहीं पड़ा. But the monkeys, they didn't listen to him. हलवाई ने उछल कूद कर उससे थैला छीनने की कोशिश की. Here uchal kood means to jump, chheenne means to snatch, koshish means to try. So the confessioner, he jumped and tried to snatch the bag from the monkeys. Next paragraph, it says, हलवाई को उछलते कूदते देख बंदर खी खी कर हंसने लगा. So seeing the confessioner jumping, the monkeys, they started laughing. हलवाई ने उसे इशारे से थैली नीचे फेंकने को कहा. So the confessioner, by his action or gesture, he showed the monkeys to throw the bag. बंदर ने थैली में से कुछ रुपए नीचे फेंके और कुछ रुपए कुएं में फेंक दिए. So the meaning is, the monkey threw some money down from the bag and also they threw into the well. Next paragraph, हलवाई चिल्लाने लगा. That means the confectioner started shouting, मेरी थैली मुझे दे दे, रुपए कुएं में मत डाल. That means, give back my bag and don't throw the money in the well. बंदर पर कोई असर नहीं हुआ. But the monkeys did not listen to him. Kids, this much for today. The other half of the story we'll discuss in the next class. Next, you have an activity. Here you have to read the first 10 lines of this lesson, record it and submit in teams. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Dhanyavad.